So, a new day, a new challenge, and today it's going to be a big one. Today I'm heading to Dijon. Yeah, my bike is ready, I am ready, so let's go. It's only been 2 weeks, and although climbing to 500 meters, I realize it's not a real mountain yet. I'm by no means a trained athlete yet. So yeah, this is quite a challenge for me. While climbing the first hills, I was lucky to witness wildlife crossing right in front of me. First, a family of wild boar, and later, some deer. I expect that they were being hunted though, and that was why they were running away. What's really cool is as I'm slowly making my way to the first 500 meter mark, as I'm getting higher, there's more snow around me. So seeing all the snow also in the distance, the landscape's looking completely different, and I really enjoy it. One more. There it is. 500. Look at this. Cycling in winter wonderland. I came down this hill behind me. There's a golf course over here, which has a roof over there to provide some shelter. But luckily, they also have this. So I can clean my bike a bit. I won't let the opportunity slip away. Although in hindsight, plenty of water would soon follow. Yeah, it's nice to cycle in the winter. Oh, it's just a sign here. 45 kilometers, so almost halfway. Short update from this little shelter here. My right hand is still alright, but my left glove is soaked. It's about 35 kilometers to the center of Dijon. Yeah, I'm curious how the rest of the day will go. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm not sure, but I think I've cleared the second summit. At some point I couldn't feel my thumb anymore. Luckily my left hand came back online in my pocket, and here it is. It's working again. 22 kilometers left. As I'm slowly making my way up yet another hill, I also want to take this moment to thank all of you. It's been a challenging day to say the least. Yeah, and I've been thinking a lot about the people supporting me. Yeah, that's really helped me a lot. So thank you for that. And I just hope that you keep supporting me. In Dijon, the weather wasn't much better. I took a little detour after I left the city of Dijon to get off the busy road, and the result is immediately very rewarding. Look at this. 5 degrees and a bit of rain and a lot of wine. Still smiling. And at the end of that rainy day, as the saying goes, comes sunshine. The clear skies had dropped the temperature overnight.
I see.
As I started my final stretch towards Lyon. Oh, and there it is. Unbelievable. 1,000 kilometers. Whew. I did it. Yes! Verzin deze. Nu dit. When I thought I was there, I noticed that I had damaged my bag while dragging my bike over the ground. With everything fixed, I headed out to Lyon once more. In Lyon, I would take some rest. More on that in the next video. Please like and subscribe and support my fundraiser. More on that is on my website, which can be found in the description. Thanks for your support.